Hi viewers, how are you? I am your teacher Sajjad Bacha with a new video that is based on inquiry methods. Inquiry method is also included in the list of all those methods which are used by the teacher, especially in the field of psychology, for obtaining information as well as data regarding a specific topic. Inquiry method is also known as psychological method because it is the method in which the mind and the behavior of the learner is under consideration. Before going to start, let me explain that man is curious by nature. He always wants to know about the unknown things. And for the process of knowing about unknown, he adopts any method of inquiry. So inquiry is a systematic process to know about all those phenomena which are not known to the learners. First we will go to explain that what is inquiry. Inquiry is the process of seeking the truth, information and knowledge. It means that it is the process, systematic process of knowing about the truth. Truth means reality, and information, that means scientific, and knowledge, that means abstract. So it is the process in which all the faculties of human beings are activated, are focused to squeeze out, to search out, to dig out information which are related with the topic. It is the process of gathering information and data through application of senses. Human beings have been blessed with 5 senses. And that 5 senses have been utilized by every human being for developing, for improving his available knowledge. Those 5 senses are sight. Sight means eyes. Hear, it means ears. Touch means hands. Taste means tongue. And smell means nose. So these 5 senses are used in inquiry method to get knowledge about the abstract as well as about the reality as well as about the scientific knowledge. Inquiry method is basically the method applied in the process of teaching learning, which is student-centered approach in which students are actively involved under the monitoring and supervision of teachers. Inquiry method is that method in which the tasks have been handed over to the learners, and the teacher is just playing the role of a monitor and the role of the supervisor. Remember that inquiry method is called inquiry method because it deals with high order thinking. High order thinking means which starts with synthesis and which ends with creativity. It means that it is not concerned with lower order thinking. It is related with high order thinking. High order thinking are those types of thinking in which the students are involved in the solution of the given problems. They are involved in critical thinking, which was learned by Socrates. So, inquiry method is dealing with high order thinking, and it is student centered. Inquiry method is further divided into two major categories. The one is known as deductive method. Deductive method is the process or is the method of deriving particular facts or information from general known truth. It is the method in which the particular information, data or knowledge is obtained through the study of general truth. It is the method in which the students or learners are asked to solve the problem. Means student-centered. Example of deductive method is that general truth is all philosophy students are intelligent. It's a general truth. Now we are going to deduce the specific truth through the analysis of this general truth. So specific truth is Mr. Amin is a philosophy student. It means that we have studied that all the students of philosophy are intelligent. It's a general truth. And the germs, the qualities of intelligence are there in Amin, who is a specific person or a specific student. So these qualities are there in Amin because he is the student of philosophy. So the general truth is that those students who are involved in philosophy, they are intelligent, and that is the general truth. While the specific truth is that Mr. Amin is also the student of philosophy, so he is also intelligent. Then general truth is all birds lay eggs. It's a general phenomenon, it's a general truth. And the specific truth is dove is a bird because all the birds are related with laying eggs. So dove is also a bird. Remember that deductive method has some merits as well as demerits. The merits include it is the method used for the coverage of maximum subject matter. Means through the process of deductive method, the teacher can cover a bulk of subject matter within a short time. Example is that all philosophy students are intelligent. It's a general truth. But the whole subject matter is encapsulated through the statement that Mr. Amin is a philosophy student. And it is students are the two methods, deductive and inductive, they are student-centered but under the supervision of teacher. Remember, in high order thinking, there is always the need of the facilitation of the teacher. So, students have demerits, less involvement of learners. Means involvements are not fully involved. It is the journey from abstract to concrete because all philosophy students are intelligent, it is abstract. Mr. Amin is a philosophy student, it is concrete. So when any method that starts with abstract, that method is less interesting and less pleasurable for the students. Then the second method, it is known as inductive method. Inductive method is the opposite of deductive method. In deductive method, the journey starts from general and it ends with particular. Means the traveling is from general to particular. But in inductive method, the journey is from specific to general. Remember students, deductive means the method in which the learning starts with general and ends with particular. But in inductive method, the learning travels, it sails from specific to general. It is less teacher directed. Less teacher directed means teacher is just motivator or organizer. All the activities are performed by the students. It is based on specific details because these specific detail leads to general details. As we have studied that it's travel from the specific to the general, and teacher is only a facilitator. All the activities are performed by the learners. Its merits are that in inductive method, teacher is involved. This method is highly interesting. It is always focused on high order thinking, but the demerits are it's very time consuming. Remember, all inquiry methods are always time consuming because it deals with high order thinking. High order thinking means problem solving, critical thinking. So all those prospects or parameters which concern with high order thinking, they are always time consuming, and it always needs the services of expert teachers. Untrained teachers cannot conduct inquiry method. It is the method which requires the outstanding teaching and performance skill of the teacher. So, dear students, these are some information which I have shared with you through this video about inquiry method. What is inquiry? What is inquiry method? What are the kinds of inquiry methods? So, watch it, enjoy it, and enter your comments. Thank you very much.